So everybody, meet Mattie, my new
Hello.
roommate. Hi.
Hi.
We talk at a very fast pace. We always have something to say. I don't know. We're just gonna kind of go off the cuff. What do you want to talk about? What are you excited about today?
I'm just excited for my part-time job. That was all. I got an extra job. It's only 3 days a week, on top of my full-time. Applied yesterday at the gas station for it and got a call back today for the interview. I was in there for all 5 minutes, and I'm just real happy to be making extra money.
It's crazy because I've been hearing from everybody that the job market is just ground to a halt. That they can be putting in 20 applications and hear nothing back, and it's just so insulting to be so good at what you can do and have nobody want
Oh,
you.
it can be, because it is kind of ground to a halt. The hiring isn't as high, but the trick to just always being employed is keep checking in with people, follow up with them daily. If not a phone call, show up in person. Because as somebody who actually used to have to interview people, this was just recently up until last year, up until the end of last year, November, December. I was hiring for positions all the time with natural grocers, and we have application stacks a mile high. Plenty of people applying. What we do, unfortunately, have to do is sift through all of them. And what helps find a good quality person, what helps us fill those positions better, is the people who do come in to check. Ask every day. Hey, I put in my name. I know you're still looking. It's like, do you have a minute for an interview? Just go in and ask.
Yeah. Now Savannah, she's sitting right here.
It's about the follow up. You have to show them you want the job more. That is what employers are looking for.
Right.
They just want people to come back and show the interest, to make their job of weeding through all of the application files much
So
easier.
Savannah just heard about this cleaning service.
Homaglow.
Yeah, so just talk about that for a bit because it even sounds interesting to me. Like, okay, I want to gig it up.
So
Just what's the best and worst of this service? What does it do?
it is a super great service that I found out about 2 years ago. I turn it off and on, usually during the summer times, to get a little extra money. I'd say at my best, I'd make $300, $400 a week, maybe doing 18 hours of work, maybe.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and like I said, the downside I did have to it. The real downside I didn't like was the startup. It's obvious for good reasons. The first 10 jobs you book, because you get to select your own jobs, the clients post what they want done, and the app matches them with probable cleaners that have the qualifications and equipment to do it. Sometimes I was just cleaning people's dishes. Sometimes I was just doing their laundry, or going to clean just a specific room or their bathrooms, or to help them remove stuff from their yard to their dump area in the back alleys.
Did you get any people that were creepy that you were worried about your
Nope,
safety?
not once, not a single one.
Yeah, because it's app based. They know who you are. You're not going to do crime.
And it is local. It is local areas, and the clients, just as well as the cleaners, are background checked.
And what do you have to bring to this thing? Like, what did you have to buy if you had nothing to start, other than a vehicle? Assuming you have that.
$50, and I'll guarantee $30 is probably spent on the portable vacuum. I just got one of my own little Dyson, tiny collapsible, weighs maybe 3 or 4 pounds.
But if you already have a vac, you could just bring any old thing, right?
Yeah, they just want you to have cleaning supplies, basic cleaning supplies that almost everyone has in their house anyway. Some all-purpose cleaner, steel cleaner specifically, and floor cleaner. Those are the 3 that they demand. They will ask you to take a picture. They even show you in the app a sample picture that is just somebody who has a white wall and a mop, a vacuum, and those cleaners and some sponges on the ground, and they take a picture of it. Qualify.
So I didn't mean to make this an ad for a service, but if anybody's having problems getting a job out there and is just struggling to
No
find
applications, no bosses, easy to get into as long as you can pass a basic background check, no violent crimes. That's all they care about.
And my friend Sarah, she's working for Uber. They're taking 2/3 of her money. So if there's $100 to be made, she's only getting 33.
And what I was telling Lagarta is Homaglow, she asked me how much they're taking. I couldn't tell you. Every time I used it, the only number they showed me was the number I was getting.
Yep.
The money I was getting. The hourly rate that was one thing I didn't like. But the first 20 jobs, you are at a fixed rate. It is kind of a,
And about the same as entry level retail. It sounds like
But it's
$18,
$20. It's $20 an hour. That is your rate.
Yep.
But you still get to pick your own jobs. Some jobs are 2 hours long. Some jobs are an hour. But you are making money on it, and it's fun.
Cool.
And it's at your pace, and you can take as few jobs as you need or as many as you want. And by the time I was done using it last time, I was charging $32, $34 an hour.
Yeah.
Because after that, you get to name your own price. After the 20 job preliminary is over, you get to write your own price number in there, and clients take it or they don't. I've had to bring it down a few times, but it was always wonderful. And I got to meet a lot of cool clients. After I shut the app down, I had 2 clients who contacted me privately, trying to keep me on, because they were like, "You didn't show up for your regular day." And I'm like,
That's amazing. Yeah, I figured you'd get that rapport with
But
people.
yeah, it's great, and it's easy to do from your phone. And the finance of it, they take care of it. They mail you everything you need during tax season to file all of your taxes properly. They have videos, tutorials to show you how to do it to help you. And it's a great way to make some extra bucks.
Neat. All right, so this isn't just an ad for a service. Tell me about what you like about roller coasters, because I know very few people that want to actually do this, that feel the physics and aren't terrified, who actually want to get out there and enjoy that.
I like feeling like a superhero. The speed, the G-force of it, the being forced in one direction or another and jerked, but I'm still comfortable. It doesn't hurt, and just feeling like Superman, flying through there. And
Yeah,
just
I'm the one driving on the off ramp, the ones that's really tight, and I try to take that at 45 miles an
Yep.
hour just so I can feel that G to
Oh,
the
and when I'm
side.
doing those like octopus rides that spin, and you get to spin things at the time, everyone hates it with me because I'm going as fast as I can. I'm like, get faster.
So she and I are probably going to hit Elitch Gardens. I haven't met anybody
Like,
in
I
the
want people
metro
pinned to these walls.
that
Like,
enjoys this stuff as much as I do, and I want to feel that again. It's nice finding somebody that has that level of excitement for
great.
life and just wants to get out there. That's why I like the bicycle jumping. You know, I fucked up my face because I wasn't wearing a helmet of the right type, but yeah, I want more of that. And if you're into that, I'm definitely going to take you.
Oh,
That
yeah.
sounds amazing. Anyway, so that's Mattie, my roommate. Zephyr's off in the corner hiding, but you'll meet all my people eventually.
Sorry for playing with my hair. I
Yeah.
finally took it out.
So I'm going to throw this on YouTube, and then you can watch it, and you can comment in chats, or you can comment on the video, whatever you like. But that's my life. I love having people like this in it that are as energetic and excited about everything as I am. Our conversation is this fast all the time. It just doesn't stop. Anyway, take it easy.